Salam Namaste, and I'm a very good morning to you all. Now, this is my second visit to the Pearl Resort this week to officiate in meetings on an issue that is most topical in this day and age, but more importantly, a great concern to governments and health authorities within our regional and global communities because of its detrimental effects on humanity's socio-economic progress and prosperity, NCD. And ladies and gentlemen, as well as being your president, I'm also your lead advocate and national champion for Fiji's fighting against NCD as a good from a good doctor. I would like to acknowledge and thank the Prime Secretary for Health and Medical Services for guiding me to deliver this morning's open address. Yes, Bernard, no, thank you. I've been looking forward to this occasion so I can meet all you hard-working people behind the scene. This is our fight. I applaud the emphasis on partnership and collaboration as a major part of health systems strengthening. I have noted the great interest, the link between NCD and the current global threat of COVID-19. Wow. Thank God. It hasn't come to our shores. Hopefully, touch wood, let's hope and pray that we will be spared. I've been reading, following the events over the last couple of weeks, and according to late night news, I think the World Health Organization just declared it a global pandemic, sadly. And as we speak, the world community is rallying behind health authorities to try and find a cure and hopefully have it contained. I need not mention the impact on our economy and our social cohesion as a young developing nation. Let's keep praying and hoping it's going to be contained. And I think we should all make this in the evidence before us, and we know more about it than I do. The available evidence has shown, ladies and gentlemen, that the majority of those who suffer the most serious consequences of COVID-19 are the elderly or those who have underlying conditions like NCDs. It makes the two lifestyle meetings this week timely and very appropriate. Now, talking about the sharing of our experiences in effectively controlling NCD will help us to understand how to prepare the nation to become healthier and more resilient in the face of global outbreaks and pandemics. COVID-19 has now become a global pandemic. I would like you in this forum, please, to think about how to change the narrative, how to create a tide of health and wellness, helping people to understand that it starts with every one of us. It's our fight. All of us. Let us think about how we influence our own families, our communities, our schools and workplaces in making healthy lifestyle choices. Now, for example, in supporting government's wellness program, I lead my staff ensuring that we run and we walk and we keep fit. We serve healthy and homegrown food to our visitors who come to the State House for functions. And, ladies and gentlemen, I have a home garden that you may want to visit, but P.S. because I've been told he's here too. I'd like to talk to him some more. I've been promoting backyard gardening. That's another government initiative that I champion. I like to get dirty. For your information, last night when it was pouring, I was trying to put some more dollar tops in kumara so that we can have enough food. And I commend and thank Dr. Antonio for a comment I read in the papers this week. He quite rightly said that we should now plant more tapioca and dal. How appropriate, very true. I've been going around the country trying to convince our folks to plant more. Now, you have recognized that what we have been doing to date has only been able to take us so far. Now, our approach needs to change. Now, you have been innovative in bringing new influences and sectors into the room, and I'd like to thank you and commend you for your efforts. And it's now up to you and I to take advantage of this opportunity to truly come together beyond this forum to develop an effective multi-sectoral strategy to address the curse of NCD in Fiji. The word curse is very strong. I think on Tuesday I called it the scourge, not the word. Same thing. Whatever it is, it's affecting all of us. Now, let's not stop there. Now, we need a strategy that can and will be implemented. One that breaks new ground and reliable. Now, we need innovation, commitment, and collaboration. And the Ministry of Health and Medical Services set the theme by bringing you all together here this morning. Thank you for your attendance. It's up to you to move this forward. I'm calling you to show the leadership that is needed to break the back of this wicked problem. God help us. Let's pray too. On that note, it gives me great pleasure to declare the Multisectoral Health and Wellness Forum officially open this morning. Thank you, and I will live. May Almighty God bless the Ministry of Health and our beloved nation.